I see you coming in. It's hard to get out of the Aurora in time, though, before it self-destructs. So it might be better to just go into this Cuddy Black with that has the door open on the back and blow it up.
I love hearing the fucking alarm in the background.
Well, you did. You got away in time. Oh, look, the other guy's out there by the Cuddy Black. You could kill him too, because you're about to get crime step. Run back off a little. Nice. I'm watching. You got ejected on my screen. Oh, there you are.
You've been flagged with a crime
Yeah, I'm watching.
I'd go take care of that.
He's not in there right now.
Some mistakes you've seen a threat.
Get out of there. It's red now. You have a minute in the Cuddy.
Yeah, Charlie's got a bunch of dudes over here.
Okay. Okay. Oh, he's floating back into it right now. He's gonna die with it. Yeah.